Hi, welcome to Win-Win From. Today I want to talk about 6 habits that can make people dislike you. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe button and bell button so you don't miss out our next interesting videos. Let's go dive in 6 habits that can make people dislike you. While everyone is different and may have different opinions on what they find unpleasant, there are some common habits that can be off-putting to others. Habit number 1, interrupting. The first habit is interrupting others when they are speaking. Not only is this rude, but it also shows a lack of respect for the person you are talking to. If someone who you frequently interrupt, try being mindful of the conversations and give others a chance to speak. Habit number 2, being late. Another habit that can make people dislike you is consistently being late. Whether it's late for a meeting, a social gathering, or just casual catch-up, showing up late can make others feel disrespected and disregarded. Make an effort to be on time and communicate if you're running late. Habit number 3, being negative. Constantly being negative can also be a major turn-off. People don't want to be around someone who is always complaining or sees the glass as half empty. Try to focus on the positive and practice gratitude. It will not only make you a more likable person, but also improve your own moods and outlook. Habit number 4, gossiping. Gossiping can also make you dislike, as it can be seen as untrustworthy and can damage relationships. If you have something to say about someone, say it to their face or keep it to yourself. Habit 5, being self-centered. Being overly self-centered can also make you dislike. People don't want to spend time with someone who only talks about themselves and never asks about others. Make an effort to engage in conversations and ask about others' interests and experiences. Habit number 6, being inconsiderate. Finally, being inconsiderate can be a major turn-off. Whether it's not cleaning up after yourself or not being mindful of other feelings, this small action can have a big impact on how people view you. Practice empathy and consideration in your daily interactions with others. In conclusion, these are 6 habits that can make people dislike you. While it's impossible to please everyone, by being mindful of these habits, you can make a positive impact on the people around you and improve your relationship. Thank you for watching. Until next time. If you know any other habits that can make people dislike you that I don't mention in this video, please share with us in the comment sections. If you enjoyed this video, please hit thumbs up and share with your friends. That way it's gonna motivate me to make more videos. Again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.